You get to cancel your first date in less than an hour. Must be some kind of lame-o record. Hi. Is Roxanne home? Oh, well, my name is Max. Does Roxanne live here? Does she even live on this block?
Wait! It's okay, Daddy. Max is a friend from school. Go on. Go on. Good Daddy. Hey, Max.
I haven't.
You wanna have a seat?
Hey. Oh.
Daddy! I promise he'll be better behaved when you pick me up for the party.
Yeah, that's, sort of why I came by.
I'm really looking forward to it, Max.
Yeah, I was too.
Was?